Let's see where we are on the refactor or re-architecture of pulling the channel business into its own class, which was um, channel broker or space broker. The space broker creates the socket, doesn't join it yet, gets a slug from the orchestrator, and then when camera is ready, that's the point where you can listen for a join message. So if your camera is never ready, we will never listen for a join message. And why do we couple it this way? It's because we need the position and rotation, which the scene manager will get that from session storage, or it will get it from the entity for the spawn point. So we're kind of waiting for that. Might make more sense to wait for both the camera ready and a join message. Once you have that, then you can, yeah, that might make more sense. Can we make this a maybe we can change it like this. What is this thing? Const camera ready. Yeah, but what is it? It's a subscription, right? Okay. And then we have const joined, which is signal hub on joined. And then we want to merge. So what does merge do? Merge takes an array of observables. Let me check the marble diagram. So RxJS merge marble diagram. So merging them means either one that comes first, which is putting these signals together. No, I don't want merge. I want combine. I want both of them. Say combine latest. So if you get this one, no output, then you get the second one and you get both the outputs. If you move this one, then this one. Yeah, in either order, you'll get combine latest. If the second one never comes, you'll get no output. You get another output here, so yeah, we want to combine later. I think that's what we want. What is concat? Concat just, no, we don't want concat. That puts them one after another. So we want combine latest. Combine latest. Pass an array of sources, which will be camera ready and joined. Then you can subscribe. And what is our output? So it is first a pause rot, and no, it's an array. It's an array of pause, rot, and something we don't care about. And then in here, we can then do everything in here. From here to here. Cut. So what we're really doing here is set up, connect the channel. So we're going to connect the channel as this stuff. Yeah, give us the pause run. And set the type of this to be pause number. And then what? Then what? We'll connect the channel, and then this subscribe, set up channel subscriptions. I think this is a little bit more clear. Camera has to be ready because we need this, but we also want to wait for joined. And when both of these things are ready, then we can proceed. Does that work? Close this. Refresh the page. And it looks like it worked because now we get the presence diff. So it's very clear. Logs are good. Primitives. Cone. It's looking good. Now, we aren't registering for any WebRTC stuff, the Agora stuff. In fact, if I unmute, we're just receiving this, but it's not being picked up and done with anything. In fact, if we just refresh this, we do see some Agora output, but I think that's just because we created the client. Now, when we click on join, hold on, joined, what does AppSvelte do? AppSvelte has this join callback. Join callback, so we emit joined. That's all that happens. We emit joined. And then we go to, if mic is not confirmed, show mic and output form. Show mic output form, which goes over to mic and output here. And over here, we're in mic and output. And we populate lists with that. Okay, so this just uses Navigator get media devices. It doesn't use Agora stuff. Yeah, this doesn't use Agora APIs at all. So when I hit join, Why am I seeing this join successfully? I think, okay, so the app ID comes from after we join the channel, so there must be something in the channel part, which is going to happen in broker. So we're looking for space channel connected. And who is listening for that? Scene manager will set up channel listeners. And space broker. No. Okay, Agora app ID. So space channel will send it down in the response. And that is the only way we'll be able to subscribe to the Agora app. So what's happening? So who's listening for the OK join, which is in the channel? This is the channel, so it must be in the broker. OK. Join. Oh, here it is. Join successfully. Oh, okay. This is the value. This is the value of that Agora app ID, but we're not using it anywhere. Space channel connected. And this might happen several times. I kind of don't want to couple the getting the Agora whatever when the space channel is connected. We don't need anything from them this way. I just didn't want to put it in the window as a variable on the window object. So we can get rid of that there. Okay, but anyway, yeah, we're not connected to any WebRTC, which is, we wanted to, okay, so we're in a place where we want to finish the member manager. And the member manager will collect who's there and who's not there in order to determine whether we have sufficient people in order to connect. I just want to see if the current way we draw avatars is still working. Presence diff. Turn around, and do we see another face? I think we do. It's this guy. Okay, so all that still works. So this thing needs to, okay, who set up the member manager? We're going to want your orchestrator business. Nobody's using you. Oh yeah, maybe we wanted to put it into I guess it can be orchestrator. It doesn't need to know about the scene per se. Well, we might put stuff in here to create. We might call create avatar. Let's leave it outside of. Okay, so orchestrator will do it. Okay, so okay, orchestrator. So once the channel is connected, so signal hub on. Space channel connected. Pipe take 1. Subscribe. Then what happens? Right. Then we're gonna do okay. Listen.